In this video, I will show you how to use your NFL Fan Cash. So to do that, first of all, you have to ensure that you have Fanatics One account. Then go to your Chrome or any web browser. In the search bar, search for NFL Shop. Then click on the URL. Now click on this profile icon right beside the search bar and the cart. From here, sign in to NFL Shop using the same email that is linked to your Fanatics One account. Once you have shopped for the item, simply click on this cart icon in the top right corner. Then you can proceed to checkout page, and if you already have some fan cash, what will happen is it will automatically be deducted from your order's shop total. Then you can simply click on checkout, put in your information, then continue checkout. You can pay the remaining balance and that's it. That is how you can use NFL Fan Cash. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.